Adhesion promoters. Good, good. And, whoa, look at this. Oh man, looks so good. Check that out. This is the 2x2 twill, meaning it's bigger. There's 1x1 and 2x2 that they sell. And then obviously this is the gloss. And I love the gloss just because it really shows off the 3D carbon fiber effect. It shows it better than matte, but I get it. Some people don't like the glossy look. They like the matte look better. That's all personal preference. As you could see, double-sided tape already on there. That is nice because it's a lot of effort to do. Just taking the backing off this tape can be effort sometimes. All I'm seeing here is like a little bit of dust or some smudging, maybe from me touching it. Other than that, I'm not seeing any flaws. The surface looks perfect. Carbon fiber looks great. No flaws, no errors. So let's get these on the car. Oh my God, I can't wait. All right, getting ready to put this on. Got the backing off of the tape. A little bit worried because we're sticking this to fabric. Alright, so I'm going to start kind of over here on this edge. Press this down and oh man, does this thing look good. Alright, I'm going to just start holding it down right away in at least 30 seconds. Check this out. Whoa. We'll get it outside, definitely in better light, but this looks good. Whoa, even better in the light. Ooh. Dang. All right, let's take it. I haven't seen the back yet. Look at that. Oh, it's super clean. Inside and out, sharp. So they also sell some Alcantara. Now this is just like a sample sheet of it. You can see this is basically a tape backing, but it's pre-cut and it fits the same cutout as this, the carbon fiber. Only it's Alcantara, and they've got a few different colors. I'll put them up on the screen here, but you know, the black, gray, they've even have a light blue. This is obviously some kind of, I don't know if this is like a rustic orange. Anyway, they've got that. They didn't give me the like cutouts, obviously, so I can't put them on here to see what they would actually look like. Personally, I prefer this. But this is also pretty slick too, because carbon fiber, they've only got the gloss of black, the 1x1, 2x2 twill. This though, this has got some serious color action to it. So anyway, something else to think about.